Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today we discuss about Google YouTube Studio Part 2. So here is our channel, but first of all we get some information from Google about Google YouTube Studio. So here is our page Wikitopia YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio, formerly known as Creator Studio, now often referred to as Creator Studio Classic, is a feature on YouTube that provides mostly private information only to the user that logs into to their channel. This information provides results around the channel analytics along with its videos. The purpose of its feature is to make YouTuber manage their channel get insights that help them grow and stay updated with the latest news. Here is some content like history, features like a channel dashboard, videos, the playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, monetization, the most compulsory features in this customization, audio library. You get free background music from your video. History, Creator Studio Classic was initially created in 2005. The video editor provided by YouTube was removed in September 2018, and the annotation was removed on January 15, 2019. Okay guys, here is a lots of description about history. Let's move on the features. Features channel dashboard features like in features we discuss about the channel dashboard. In this tab one can check the latest video performances. Let me show you. Here you that you see dashboard, you can see all of these like views, impression click, average view duration, your subscribers, watch time. Okay, the videos, the user can check and filter normal videos and live streams in this tab. Moreover, this video along with the information are organized in the table. When a user hovers over a row, it's your choice. They can view a wide variety of options like editing the video, promoting, viewing statistics, and more. Let me show you. Like you can see in content, your videos, you check your visibility, is the public on, restrictions, maybe you have a copyright or not, date when you publish, views, as you see 61, comments 0, like and versus dislike. I mean, how you get like and versus dislike you get. Another thing, you can check this playlist. Uh, Playlist means guys, when one click on this tab, they can view all of the playlists, public, unlisted, and private, and gain access to edit them. But outside of YouTube Studio, the playlists can be edited from the thumbnail, the title, the visibility, the description, and the additions and removal of certain. Let me show you in here, like this playlist. There is no playlist because I'm not creating a playlist for a video, that's why. Another the option our is analytics. In this tab, it shows a large amount of channel analytics, including views, subscribers, statistics, real-time live statistics, video performance statistics, and the statistics about the latest video. That is the most point in this analytics. There are other tabs for the channel analytics, including the reach, in this impressions, through click rate, views, unique viewers, and more. Engagement like watch time in hours, average view duration. You can see view duration and audience, unique viewers, average views per viewer, subscribers, and more. The tab also shows a real-time subscriber count as a more accurate way to see subscriber count without the abbreviated subscriber count update. Let me show in our channel. This is analytics. In this analytics, you can see overview, reach, engagement, audience. In this analytics tab, you over in overview, you can see the view, how much you get the views from this from your videos, watch time, how you get subscribers in this video duration, how you get subscribers in your video. Okay guys, hope so you like the videos. In next part we discuss about more about the reach, engagement, audience, comments, and other features of your channel. So guys, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.